Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to check battery health on iPhone. So guys, first is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your iPhone. Now once you are on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and tap on the battery option. And here on the battery, to check your battery health, as you can see, I will have the battery health as a normal. So go ahead and select that one. And from here, as you can see at the very top, I will have the battery health, which is normal. And I have the maximum capacity over here. So this will measure a battery capacity relative to when it was new. And you will have the cycle count. So this means I have charged my phone 325 times, and you will have the manufacture date and the first use of the iPhone. And pretty much when you go back to the battery tab, you should be able to see other options like the history of the battery level, and also you will have the charging capacity filters, which you can filter out the charging limit, clean energy charging, and pretty much you should be able to change the settings over here and see your activities as well on each platforms, what consumes your battery the most. And pretty much you should be able to check your battery health on the iPhone itself by just simply going through the settings into the battery feature. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.